Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word peacemaking. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The diplomat was recognized for her skillful peacemaking efforts in negotiating a treaty between the warring factions. Peacemaking refers to the act of resolving conflicts or disputes in a peaceful manner, often through negotiation, diplomacy, or mediation. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.